In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot Pro in Excel. This will only take about 5 minutes, so let's get started with these simple steps. First up, you need to open Excel. This is the first essential step, as Microsoft Copilot is seamlessly integrated into the Excel application itself. Once you have Excel up and running, you'll want to navigate your way to the File menu. This is located in the upper left corner of your Excel interface. Clicking on File will reveal a range of options, and from here, we're going to head towards the Options menu. This step is crucial because it allows access to numerous settings that tailor Excel to your personal or professional needs. Now, with the Options menu open, you should see a variety of possibilities. You're going to select Trust Center. The Trust Center is pivotal as it houses essential options concerning the security and privacy settings of your Excel application. Once you've clicked on Trust Center, you will notice a button labeled Trust Center Settings. Go ahead and click this to progress to the next phase. Inside the Trust Center settings, look for privacy options. This section helps safeguard your work while allowing helpful features to enhance your productivity. Click on Privacy Settings, since this is where we'll make the adjustments necessary to enable Copilot. Now, within the privacy settings, you're looking for an option that might not initially be obvious, but it's essential nonetheless. You need to ensure that the option labeled Experiences that Analyze Your Content is enabled. By enabling this option, you're granting permission for certain features that are fundamental for Copilot's operation. Once the setting is enabled, here's the exciting part. Copilot will magically appear on your Home tab in Excel. This feature is designed to assist you with data analysis, make suggestions, and even provide helpful insights into your workflow. Having it readily accessible on the Home tab means you can utilize its powerful capabilities without a moment's delay. And there you have it. The process is complete, and Microsoft Copilot Pro is now enabled and ready to help you enhance your productivity in Excel. With Copilot at your fingertips, you're not just crunching numbers, you're engaging with your data in ways previously unimaginable. So go ahead, explore the new functionalities, and let Copilot assist you in elevating your work to a whole new level. Remember, every feature within Excel is designed to make your life easier, and enabling Copilot is one of those small but mighty changes you can make. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this addition to your Excel tools to be as helpful as it promises to be.